Yes, let's make our water puddles procedural material. Let's add a new material. Give it a very dark gray color. 0.01. Now we're going to add Shift A, add a Voronoi texture. Okay, this will be our asphalt material first. So connect to the roughness. Change to smooth, F1. Like it more. Ctrl T, select the Voronoi and hit Ctrl T to bring out the mapping node and connect the object to the vector. Now let's increase the scale of the Voronoi texture, like 50. I think it's enough. Okay, we need to increase the roughness for this, so let's Shift A, let's add a color ramp. And on the black color, let's assign a very light gray, because the asphalt is it's a very rough material. Okay, for the asphalt, I think I'm going to add Shift A, let's add a bump. And let's connect the distance to the height, this Voronoi. Let's decrease the strength. I think I'm going to copy this one, Shift D. Connect the normal to the normal. Now let's add a nice texture. Factor to the height. Let's increase the bump. Okay, just add this kind of noise to the asphalt. Okay, so this is the asphalt material. Now let's create our puddles, water puddles. Shift A, add a mouse graph texture. Ctrl Shift and left click to show what we are doing. Decrease the scale, 1.5. Now I'm going to add a color ramp here to control this mouse graph texture. Let's push the white to the left. Make the other way around. Okay, something like this for now. Now I'm going to add some kind of noise. Select the vector and push it and add a noise texture. Let's decrease the scale. I'm going to increase the detail. Okay. Let me change here once again. I think I'm gonna need to change this, but for now we can keep it like this. Ctrl Shift and click the principal BSDF so we can see the asphalt material. Shift E to copy the principal BSDF, roughness to 0. This will be our water material. So Shift E to copy this bump node, sorry. And for the water, I'm Going to add a Shift A, add a bus graph texture, connect the height to the height. Now we need to connect these two shaders, these principles at BFDS. So Shift A, add a mix shader, put it here, and this one is for the water, connect it right here. So, okay, we need to make some adjustments here at the top. Let's grab the color of this color ramp at the top and connect it to the factor of the mix shader. Sorry. Now we need to change the values of this color ramp as well. So bring the white to the right and the black to the left. And now we should have let's increase the detail for the water. Okay, I think we're done now. So this is the final result. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you in the next one. Bye.